Assalamu alaikum. We are on behalf of SBF and Jamaat-e-Islami Hind here in Kalinagar. Kalinagar, the condition of the highway. We are on the highway. You see the condition of the people of the village area. Here the water is touching to the roof and the people took the shelter here on the highway. You see the condition. Here only continuous tent house. Tent house and tent house. And people have only polythene, and here is the cloudy situation. Here the cloudy situation, it is going to be rain. And in this situation, how people will stay here is a matter of question. Now you see the condition of the people on the day of Eid. They are not preparing. On the day of Eid, it is today Eid day. On the day of Eid, people are not thinking about Eid and the occasion of this festival. People are here busy with taking shelter. So we have request everybody to come and take the help, raise the hand to help the people, to the needy people. You see the stove, you see how to they cook the materials. You see the condition. It is raw now, raw, wet. The stove is too wet and they are preparing on the day of Eid. You see, there is no shelter, no light, nothing is there. Torn polythene, it is raining. Here you see the torn polythene. In this, under this torn polythene, how people stay in this moment. It's the matter. You see how they are coming. One man is telling to me that he did not able to take out the documents of NRC. He is this, our Pakimia. He failed to take the NRC document from his home. আপনার কোন যে আপনার ব্যাপারটা কি না
তো কাটাকাল এবং বরাক নদীর জলে আমরা এফেক্টেড হয়ে আমরা হাউসগুলো কমপ্লিটলি এফেক্টেড আমরা খাওয়ার বস্তুগুলো কিছু আনতে পারছি না এবং নৌকাও না কিনে কি করবো আমাদের টাকা যাওয়ার কোনো ব্যবস্থা নাই
Yesterday he committed to me that he will also come with us to go to distribute the food items to the remote area, and his house was above the water. Now you see his house is under the water. He failed to distribute. He is now wants to take shelter. It is the condition. So SBF team is here observing and distributing. We are arranging net. We are arranging candles. We are arranging dry food to them, sugar to them. So we are requesting everybody, no need to help SBF by financially. We are requesting that you come out to the people and give assistance, whatever they need and whatever your capacity. According to your capacity, according to the need of the time, all of you raise your hand and come to help the people. I think it will benefit because Allah said in Quran many times to come to the needy people, to come to the poor people, to come the helpless people, those who are helplessly, they are searching their shelter. Thank you.